Hey guys, today is, I don't even know what day it is. Maybe like day 5 of Halloween? I don't know. But today I'm going to do something a little bit more eye focused. I just kind of want to do like a cute orange cut crease with some black lining, you know, just some real Halloween colours. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to prime my eyes. I do want to do a few of these throughout the 31 days, like, you know, some less kind of full-on ones and just some more kind of cute Halloween-y colours. So yeah, I hope you guys, I feel like, you know, just so there's something for everyone, and also I want to do them too, you know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, so I have a look in mind. I have planned it very well. No, honestly, but yeah, I do have a look that I want to do. Okay, so today I'm going to take the Be Perfect XL Carnival Pro palette, and I want just like a really bright neon orange. I feel like Lit. Yeah, that's what we're going to take. It's called Lit, and that is the shade we're going to take today. Alright, so I'm just gonna, yeah, we're pretty much just gonna start and put Lit all over the eye pretty much. Just need to clean off a brush. Today I think when I go in I'm going to try and grab a couple of brushes so that I can take them in. Notice how I said the word try, because I can't commit to that, but I'm gonna try. Do you reckon I'd be totally cheating? I have the Madison Beer brush collection. Would it be totally cheating to just use it now? I feel like I just gotta save it for the review, so guess I'll save it for the review, but it would probably make my life a lot easier if I could just use that brush set right now. But anyway, alright, so let's go. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by taking Lit, and I kind of, we're gonna do a full cut crease today, so I kind of want this to wing out a little bit, you know? Is it just me, or is that red? Is that coming off red? It's very important that it's orange. Why does it look so red? It's definitely not red in the pan, like. Doing the same on the other side. It's so hot today. I don't know why. Okay. Right, now I'm just gonna blend these. I know they look crazy at the moment, but just give it time, okay? So yeah, I'm just really trying to diffuse the edges. Alright. I'm gonna go into the Colourpop Orangey Glad palette. And I'm going to take, I don't know, I might take this one here. It's called Sun Kissed. I'm gonna put that over the top because this is not orange enough for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna start like building this up, and then we'll blend this one out as well. That's a much better colour. I tried candy corn for the first time the other day and it tasted awful. Like, well, it wasn't like the worst, but it just was just like not what I thought. It's like not nice. I don't know why people love it. Like, it was just such a letdown. So yeah, I don't get the hype with candy corn. If you've ever tried it, let me know what you think below, because I'm just curious. Like, I just don't get how people like it. I love it. It tasted pretty much just like nothing, and like the actual texture of the lolly just like wasn't nice either. So it was just, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. And because I feel like people hype it up a lot, so you know, it's something that I've always wanted to try. And if you haven't tried it, let me just tell you now that you are missing absolutely nothing. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm going to cut my crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, I need to set this now because otherwise it'll crease. I'm just trying to find what shade to set it with. I think I'm going to take the Zest shade. Zested shade out of the Orangey Glad palette. Just need to get a brush. Okay, taking that Zested shade. It might be a bit too dark, but I feel like it'll be okay. I don't want anything like too stark white. So, oh, okay. It's very dark, but oh well. Once I put the black liner and stuff on, it'll be fine. Okay, cute. It has a very nice like orange undertone, so it really like ties in together with the look, which is great. Okay, now I'm gonna do some liner. I think I'll just take my Colourpop liner and we'll go and do a wing. They look a little bit messy at the moment, but we are going to fix them up. So I'm going to go off camera now. I'm going to clean my eyes up, put some lashes on, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just used the Doll Beauty lashes in Esmeralda. I have a problem because if I open my door to the studio, then it's too cold, but if I close it, it's too hot. So I don't know what to do. Anyway. I'm going to prime it with the two Too Faced Dew You primers. I have one in Radiant Pearl and one in Radiant Nude. I feel like the Radiant Pearl one is too light. So I'm going to mix it. It's got a bit lumpy, which is pretty gross. It's only on like the top part, you know, so it's fine. This one's done the same, which is gross. Ugh. Okay, anyway, right, let's... I'm pretty sure they've actually like discontinued this line, the Dew You line, which I... Is that what it was called? I don't know, it's like, yeah, it's the one that had like the foundation, the powder, the setting spray, like they're all just gone, which is really sad because I actually did really enjoy this line. So I don't know why they discontinued it, but yeah, anyway, it's gone and I'm sad. But you know, heaps of brands do like dewy primers and stuff, so glowy luminous primers. So anyway, alright, for foundation today I'm taking the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation, which is much too dark for me, but Sephora Colour Match told me this was my shade, so blame Sephora, don't blame me. I actually really like the way that the eyes have turned out. I think they look really pretty and like super Halloween vibes, which is what I was going for, so I'm happy. This foundation is so nice. I have to go, well I don't have to, but I'm gonna go get some Subway for lunch. So I don't know if I should take my makeup off or leave the house like this. What do you guys think? The good thing about if I leave the house in makeup is I don't have to change my outfit, because you can go out in tracksuit pants if you have your makeup done, because it looks like you've put effort in, you know? So either I take my makeup off and get dressed into something more presentable, or I keep my makeup on and I can wear my track pants out. So, choices, you know? I'll probably just keep my makeup on because I'm pretty hungry, so I can't really be bothered washing my face before I go, you know. I'll wash it when I get back. Need to wash my hair tonight. I'm back to work tomorrow. just for the day. My mum is my manager, if you guys don't know, and she was short for people tomorrow. I'm currently on annual leave because I took the first week of October off because of my Halloween stuff. Like, I needed time to get organised and film and prep and all that kind of stuff, so I took the first week of October off. Yeah, so I was meant to be off tomorrow as well, but yeah, she was short for people, so I told her I would go in. So I'm working just for the day tomorrow, and then I don't have another shift until next Thursday, so it's Friday today, so yeah. Alright, let's do some concealer. I'm going to take the Kimchi The Most Concealer in the shade Pale, which it is very, very pale. It's a very yellow shade, so I feel like it's really good for brightening. I think I'm gonna do like a declutter soon. I feel like I need to, there's like a few things in my makeup collection that I'm just not reaching for anymore, so yeah, I would like to do a declutter. Plus I have heaps of new makeup to like put into my collections, so I think I just need to start making way for the new stuff and getting rid of the old stuff, you know. There's a few things that are like discontinued and stuff, so yeah, I feel like I'll film those probably next week or end of this week or something, maybe Sunday. Just to set the concealer, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Loose Setting Powder. But yeah, I feel like probably this weekend I will yeah, start filming my declutters, which I'm really excited about because I love like declutter and organization videos and stuff, and I feel like it makes me feel a lot better when I know that I'm using the stuff in my makeup collection. So to be able to get rid of some stuff that I'm not using at the moment, I feel like that will definitely make me feel a lot better. And I know that you guys love declutter videos as well. And then yeah, I think after I film my declutter, I'll do a whole makeup collection, because it's been a while. I think I did one when I moved back home, which is in like February. So it's been a good couple of months. I feel like I've got some new stuff. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Pressed Powder. And I can't remember what shade I have it in. Oh, it's in Almond. It looks a lot lighter than my foundation that I'm wearing today, but anyway. I'm probably gonna have to wear a jumper so people can't see my neck. Okay. Time for bronzer and blush. For bronzer today, I'm taking the MAC bronzing powder in Golden. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. It's one of those ones you have to really build up, which I love, because it's, then you don't go overboard with it. Oh no, what happened up there? There's some black on my head. Like obviously there was either some black on my face or something and I've just spread it all around. Looks like it was like mascara or something. That's not good. Okay, that'll do for bronzer. And then today we are going to take a blush. I'm going to take the Colourpop blush in the shade Crossroads. It's really beautiful, but it's cracked. I don't know like how it got cracked, but there's a huge big line through it, so it's not good. Like that. My face a big old blending, you know. And then we can do some highlight. Today I'm taking the Jaclyn Cosmetics Loose Highlighter in Extra. I'm really excited. This is such a beautiful highlight. I forgot how stunning these were. I want to put some on my inner corner as well. Did I imagine it, or is Jaclyn coming out with like a setting spray? Did I imagine that? she already come out with one? I don't know. For some reason, I swear she was like coming out with a like illuminizing setting spray. Maybe I mentioned it, I don't know. Okay. Right, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my hair and everything, and then I will be back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, this is the finished look. I really like it. I know it's not gory or anything like that, but I feel like it's very Halloween-y. You know, it's got all your Halloween colours. So yeah, let me know what other like simpler, is that a word? More simple Halloween looks you guys want to see. Or, like I want to do maybe like some spiderweb liner and you know, that kind of thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!